Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can secure the container as you can see in the shipyard. So what we need to do is eliminate some hostiles to get to the container. So it will take some time, but try just to reach the container. So you can just try to run. Try just be careful.
What the? Gale's got heavy defenses by the docks. Area secure. Let's get that container open.
Be careful, section.
And now just interact it and open it. And as you can see, we just did and secured the container. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.